Are you looking to expand your career in off-grid solar? Are you already qualified? Looking for a job that would take you all over the country? Well, that's what we do. And at the moment, we're looking for qualified off-grid installers to come join our team. Let me show you through what we do. These are our SIAB premium systems. These are our pre-built off-grid solar systems, coupled with a Gentech auto start generator. This is one of our systems up here in northern New South Wales, and we do these all over Australia. What we're looking for is somebody to take this, install it, and create an incredible final product for our clients. Our systems are completely pre-built. This system is built, programmed, tested, and comes to site ready to install. Everything is wired to our plug configuration, your DC, your main earth, your 15 amp power outlet, so you have usable power the moment you get to site, your generator input, and your main power out through an industrial plug connection. All of that comes to site already complete. The only thing left to do is complete the PV array installation, whether it be roof mount or ground mount, the generator backup, and any outgoing circuits. That is what we need from someone just like you. So what we're looking for is somebody to come and join our team to head up an installation crew. It would be partially on the road working away from home and partially working in the workshop at our warehouse and at our workshop in Eden in southern New South Wales. The role would be split about 50-50 between the working away from home on-site installs and the other half of the time in the workshop building the systems. When you're out on site, you'll be given a work vehicle. All your costs will be covered, all your accommodation, your fuel, your travel, whether we fly you, whether you drive, whatever it takes to get a job done. You will be completely covered for all of that. Plus, you will be paid $75 an hour for the hours or for the days that you're away working out on the road. And so this is an opportunity for somebody to come and join us, not for a year, not for 6 months. We want somebody that is going to be part of our team and part of our family for hopefully for life until you retire. There are ascension pathways within the company that you can actually grow when you get to the point that you can no longer be working out in the field. We have room for you to grow within the business. So we would love to hear from you. If you have an interest and a passion in off-grid solar and want to create incredible solutions for people, keep in mind these are high-end systems. These are the best you can get. And we want workmanship and people who are going to match that to be able to provide amazing outcomes for our clients. We're not in to just slapping systems together and hoping for the best. We want quality work. We want quality attitudes. We want quality personalities that are going to gel with the rest of our team. If that's you, we'd love to hear from you and see whether this might be the right fit for you. We'd love to see what you can offer us and what we can offer you. I think we could come to a great arrangement that will provide you not just a work life, but a full life that you can be proud of, because we absolutely love what we do.